Hey guys, and welcome to another video. We're back up north. It's evening. Just got up here, but as you can see, it is absolutely glassed off here. So I'm thinking it's time to go for a little evening run around White Cloud and bring it back in. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's get going out there and have a good time. Guys, I'm sorry, but it has completely glassed off here. So I had to stop again because like this is so beautiful. I mean, and I hope it shows up on camera. Look how absolutely crystal clear this water is. It's so amazing. So we're just at the north tip of White Cloud Island right now. So we're gonna go around the point and towards Kidd Bay, which is on the west side, and we'll stop and check in there and see what it's looking like. So let's keep going. Guys, this is Kidd Bay. Great place to anchor up if you've got a northeast or anything but a west wind. But this a lot of people have bought property on here now and opening up places, so it's kind of cool to see. So anyways, this is Kidd Bay. There's a dock over there that we'll go past, but nice little anchorage place, sandy bottom. So that's good for anchoring, and a nice little place to come for a swim if you need to. So this is the unofficial town dock or government dock. So looks like they've done some work to it. Last time we were here last year, this whole thing was sinking into the water. So I think they've fixed it up a bit, and they put a bridge across it. Look at that! Oh, they took this out. That's what it is. I don't know if you guys can see that down there. It's like they just jackhammered the property. There's the... Oh wow, interesting. Maybe, yeah, look. That's not concrete, that's not rock. Cool. See if they can let it drop off there. Yes, there's a tire. So we're on the north tip of White Cloud Island right now. So we're gonna head back around to the south. Nope. Oh, I can't even begin to tell you how beautiful this is up here. Let's go. We're on the north tip of White Cloud Island. We're on the north tip of White Cloud Island. Oh my goodness, I can't even say this. Hey guys, so we're on the north. Oh, you're probably looking at sun and I'm over here. Hey guys, so